Hello students, the question is regeneration of damaged growing grass following grazing is largely due to A. Lateral meristem, B. Apical meristem, C. Intercalary meristem, D. Secondary meristem. तो बच्चे ग्रोथ इन प्लांट्स की हम सबसे पहले बात करते हैं कि ग्रोइंग ग्रासेस भी प्लांट में ग्रोथ हो रही है तो ग्रोथ के लिए कौन सा टिश्यू रिस्पॉन्सिबल है? मेरिस्टेमेटिक टिश्यू. द स्पेशलाइज्ड टिश्यू रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर द ग्रोथ of a plant is meristematic tissue, and this meristematic tissue on the basis of position in a plant is classified into three different categories. One is apical meristem, second is lateral meristem, third is intercalary meristem. Now, in a root or a shoot, the tissue that is present at the tip of a root or shoot is called apical meristem and responsible for increasing. It is present at tip of root or shoot, responsible for increase in length of root or a shoot. While lateral meristem is present on a lateral walls. It is present in the lateral walls and lateral walls of root or shoot and is responsible for increasing girth of the plant. It is responsible for increasing the girth diameter of the root or shoot. And the third one, intercalary meristem, present between two permanent tissues, or we can say between the mature tissues, such as grasses or the internodal regions. So this tissue is basically responsible for the regeneration of parts of the grasses. Grasses में कौन सा टिश्यू है? इंटरकैलरी मेरिस्टम है बच्चे. तो जो उसकी रीजनरेशन करनी है, मींस ग्रेजिंग एनिमल्स ने ग्रासेस को खा लिया, तो उसके बाद जो पेंडिंग पोर्शन है, बचा हुआ पोर्शन है, वहां से ग्रासेस रीजनरेट करेंगी थ्रू इंटरकैलरी मेरिस्टम. ऑप्शंस को देखते हैं बच्चे. सो लेटरल मेरिस्टम फॉर रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर द इंक्रीज ऑफ गर्थ, ऑप्शन नहीं हो सकता. एपिकल फॉर द इंक्रीज ऑफ लेंथ, yes. Intercalary meristem is present in grasses, responsible for regeneration of damaged part. And now what is secondary meristem? So बच्चे, एक meristematic tissue, there is a meristematic tissue, it loses its capability to divide and forms a permanent tissue. That is called differentiation. This concept is called differentiation. And here the meristematic tissue is called primary meristematic tissue. But due to any reason when the cell needs to repair और permanent tissue को वापस से meristematic में change होना होगा, when permanent tissue changes into meristematic for the repair mechanism, then this meristem is called secondary meristem. इसलिए meristem को क्या कहेंगे? Secondary meristem कहेंगे. Clear? So the correct answer for the question here is option C. Thank you.